Hey there guys, my name is Marcus and in this video I will show you a way how you can change your card details on Revolut. So let's start. So the first thing is like you can do it but you actually can't. So when you're going to press on cards, the first thing you want to do is go to settings and just name the card. You can add a custom name. So this is the first thing that you can change. The second way, if you lost your card or something and you would like to add a new, you need to actually link it or you need to terminate this card. Click right top corner to plus, and now you can already got a card. You can link it here if you have new or virtual debit card. You can get a virtual card here. You need to like upgrade it if you want to, and premium. And this is another way how you can like actually add a card, right? Need to choose, and that's pretty much it how you do it. So thank you very much. Have a great day and goodbye. See ya.